Hello guys, hope you are visible with my name and branch and title which I am going to deal with, that is advanced electric spikes. Advanced electric spikes. So as we know, spikes are being used on roads to control the traffic, and the spikes are often used by police to stop suspects who are attempting to flee a vehicle. And the main aim or the object of this is to stop vehicle at signal so as to restrict the vehicle which is entering the road in wrong direction. In a usual traffic system, the peoples are not following the rules properly. So to overcome this problem, we are using this system, and it's an innovative idea mainly to avoid congestion and rescue the ambulance. So even in the absence of police, also these bikes works, and even all will be following the rule in even in the absence of the police. So advanced electric spikes and how that works or how it works means it works through the sensor technology based and a motor which controlled by microcontroller and recommended by sensor. So this system can be used in retractable before the zebra crossing, that comes out when the traffic signal is red and goes off when the traffic signal turns green. So by this title or by this concept, what and all the benefits we can achieve is it to provide the safety, saving the manpower at a signal, improve public transport facility, and it reduces the pollution and saves fuel. So, thank you.